Okay, so what you need to do is you need to refer to the video for the first method, the graph, the notes method. I'm going to go through the second method, which is called the formula method. Alright, so some of you ask, what does one consignment of, how do you pronounce the word? Further. Don't say further. I tried Google, further just means food. Alright, so it's just like one container of food. Okay, so can I write down the yellow thing onto my notes, onto my foolscap, and then you write as well. A consignment, that means one consignment of food is equal to 1,000 sheep is equal to 20 days. How many of you don't know this? Irvin, do you know how I get this? Jared, no. Where? From where? From the passage. From the question. The question said this. Do you know what the question wants? Benjamin, do you know what the question wants? The question wants what? How many consignment? 550 sheep for 400 days. Okay? So over here, what do you write? You write down how many food. If you don't like the food, you put that consignment. For 550 days, sheep for 400 days. Okay? And the method you're going to learn today, which is not covered in the notes, is called form equation. Take note, this is method 2. If you don't like method 2, it's okay. Go back to method 1, use the blocking method. Blocking means I block the consignment, I look at the sheep. I block the sheep, I look at the days. Blocking method. So once you block one, you compare the other two. Why this is irritating? Because you have got 3 things. Can follow? I got food, I got sheep, I got days. So how do I compare when 3 of them are changing? So this is where the equation method comes in. First, you have to study and form the equation. First, I have 3 unknowns. Do you know what are the unknowns, Sixuan? First unknown is what? First unknown is food. F. Second unknown is what? The sheep. Agree? Evelyn, what's the third unknown? The day. Do you see there are 3 alphabets like F, the S, and the D? So how do I do? I have to understand the relationship. First, I understand the relationship. F and sheep. F and sheep. The food and the sheep. Is it direct or indirect? Let's think. Thought through. Ready? Answer the question. You think. Food and sheep. Is it direct or indirect? That means more food, more sheep, or more food, less sheep. More food, I can feed more sheep, right? More food, I can feed more sheep. So I write down, this is direct because more food, I can feed more sheep. Am I correct? Now I try another one. What about S and D? So what do I ask myself? I ask myself, Irvin, more food, more days, or more food, less days? Think through and write down. More food, more days, or more food, less days? Think, then write. Irvin, you will write. Are you writing? I repeat what you write. You got to tell me, is it more food, more days, or more food, less days? At least, what do you write? More food, more days. More food, more days. More food, more days. Okay, can everyone listen? Yes, in the video. Now, can you write down? Therefore, S and S is direct, so it becomes KX. Does it make sense? Because it's direct. S and D is also direct. That means S and D is also direct, so it becomes like that. Do you follow? Do you follow? More food, more days. More days. Can follow? This is different, Irvin. What did Jaren tell you? Then don't tell. Irvin, this is different because the S and D got like 3 unknowns and a constant. Do you follow? But what's the next step usually? What do I have to find? Nabila, what do I have to find? Find K. So I find K, yeah? Now, how do I find K? I need to start in a number that I know. Do you know where do I get a number? I get from the 1S, 1000S, and 20 days. I get from the first equation to find K. So I start. Can we discuss about the plural form of sheep later? So S equals to 1, S equals to 1000, D equals to 20. I really put it in. 1 equals to K times 1000, K, and this is 20. So what is K? 1 over 2000. Is that okay? Everyone follow? Everyone agree? Or, Why the 2000 below? Because I want to find K. So this side divided by 2000, this side divided by 2000, K equals to 1 over 2000. Oh, sorry, to 20,000. One more zero. Which one is it correct? Which one do you know why 20,000? Because 20 times 1000. Good. Take out a calculator. Press. 20 times 1000 is 20,000. So both sides divided by 20,000. So I get this. So what's the next step? Rewrite the what? Rewrite the equation. So how do I rewrite the equation? So I write down. Rewrite the equation and replace K. Am I correct? Jaren? What's the answer? This is the equation. I rewrite the equation, but I replace K with a number. So what do I write? F equal don't know. Because K is 1 over 20,000. So I replace K with a number. So K replaced with a number. 1 over. Don't understand. So might as well talk. Jaren, do you see K is 1 over 10? Do you know how to get this? Put this number back into K. Do you follow? Do you see this? Then the rest, what do I do? Do I put numbers or put alphabet? Numbers, wrong. I put back the alphabet. Because I want to rewrite the equation, I want to put back the alphabet. Last step, what do? I look at the question. The question says what? Last step, what do? I look at this thing. I want to find question mark of S. What is the food? When the sheep is what? 550. and the days is 400. So do you know what I write? Jerome, can you help me? F equals to 1 out of 20,000 times 550 times wrong. Look at the green equation. So S is equal to 550, D is equal to 400, F is equal to I don't know. I want to find F. So this is 400. What's the answer? Wrong, the answer is wrong. What's the answer? 11. Correct, the answer is correct. Yay! Just like that. S equals to 11. Consignment. Can follow? Or 11 food 11 consignment of food. Can I show you the video of the part 1? The first one, then you all see whether which one you all prefer. Okay, lor. You also did that. Okay, can I show you the video now?